recycling bin.
Who cares? Garbage is garbage.
Did I hear someone say garbage is garbage?
Who's that?
That's Miss Fizzle, my new science teacher.
And I'm also garbage lady extraordinaire. And this is my magic garbage truck.
Seriously?
We're going on a field trip.
Yay!
Wait. Don't we need permission slips or something?
Not for this trip. We aren't leaving school grounds.
But you said,
We're taking a field trip inside the dumpster.
that's like the worst field trip ever.
It'll be fun. Hang on. Oh my, would you look at all this stuff? So many things in here should be recycled.
Oh, come on. Does it really matter?
Does it matter? Of course it matters.